The buzz around Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is reaching a fever pitch, with each new leak pulling back the curtain just a little more. The latest comes from an unexpected source, Brand, the well-known maker of custom skins and accessories. The early listing of Galaxy S25 skins has given fans a clearer glimpse of the phone's final designs, sparking even more speculation and excitement ahead of the official reveal. The leaked images showcase the rear design of the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the standard S25, the S25 Plus, and the flagship S25 Ultra. While these visuals align with what earlier rumors suggested, they offer confirmation of key design elements. Let's start with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the powerhouse of the series. Samsung has taken a slightly different approach with this model, moving away from the sharp, boxy corners of its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Ultra now features edges that are more subtly curved, giving it a sophisticated and cohesive look alongside the S25 and S25 Plus. While the Ultra retains its premium feel, these subtle tweaks make it visually more in harmony with the rest of the lineup. As for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, they may not appear drastically different from the outside, but rumors hint at some underlying changes. Their dimensions might be a bit more compact than the previous generation, potentially improving ergonomics without compromising on display size. One of the most noticeable updates across all models is the shift from silver camera rings to sleek black ones, a design choice borrowed from the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This small detail adds a modern, polished touch to the lineup, setting it apart from last year's series. Interestingly, the front of the phones remains a mystery in these images. However, leaks have suggested that Samsung isn't making major changes to the front-facing design. Expect the familiar punch-hole camera at the top of the display and a layout similar to the Galaxy S24 series. One rumored improvement is slimmer bezels, which would give the phones a slightly more refined and immersive appearance. While design updates are always exciting, the Galaxy S25 series is also making waves for its performance capabilities. Samsung is expected to equip all three models with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring top-tier performance across the board. This move marks a unified chipset approach, eliminating regional variations and delivering consistent power no matter where you are in the world. One area where Samsung seems to be focusing its attention is software. The Galaxy S25 series is set to debut with One UI 7, the latest iteration of Samsung's user interface. Early reports suggest it will bring a host of improvements, including new customization options and enhanced performance features, making it a key selling point for the devices. The leaked timeline for the Galaxy S25 series aligns closely with brand's skin availability. Samsung is rumored to officially unveil the series on January 22, with pre-orders kicking off on January 24. If all goes as planned, the phones are expected to hit shelves worldwide by February 24. This timeline gives fans plenty of time to gear up for what could be one of the most anticipated launches of the year. The leaked skins from brand have also added a layer of excitement for those who enjoy customizing their devices. From bold patterns to minimalist finishes, these skins will allow users to make their Galaxy S25 stand out while protecting it from daily wear and tear. With each new detail, the anticipation for the Galaxy S25 series continues to grow. Samsung seems to be striking a balance between maintaining the core strengths of its flagship lineup and introducing thoughtful updates that enhance the overall experience. Whether it's the sleek new design, the power-packed processor, or the revamped software, there's plenty to look forward to. As we count down to January, the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a highlight of the tech calendar. Stay tuned for more updates as the official announcement draws closer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.